one more time here at the Snow Bowl. I'm sure we'll be down here several more times this year. But today we're down here with the Kyosho Blizzard, aka the Midnight Blizzard. Giving the Vatera a little break today and having a little bit of fun with the Kyosho. Apologize for the far off angles. Oh, Blizzard getting stuck. This thing is definitely a ride in the snow. Every bit as fun as the Vatera Ascender, that is for sure, with the tracks on it. A little bit more so in the deep powder, just because you can venture off into the deep powder a little easier with the Kyosho Blizzard versus a TRX4 Sport or a Vatera Ascender with tracks on it. Not doing so good on the hill climbing today, though. Vatera did just about as good as the old Blizzard. Not your average Blizzard, though, that is for sure. This one has slightly more motor than your average Blizzard. A little bit of air coming off that one. A little bit of air coming off that one. Snow depth is pretty darn deep back here. Easily over a foot deep. Stuff we're climbing is about 6 to 8 inches deep on the hillside here. My apologies once again for the camera angles. It's very difficult to film a blizzard. Side hilling in the snow bowl. High marking. Oh, we almost rolled it. Just about stuffed it right there. Driver's side track is buried. Passenger side track way up in the air. There we go. Fun little vehicles, that is for sure. Sold out everywhere at the moment. Nobody seems to have them. A few online stores here and there, few and far between still have them. But definitely looking like a sold out market at the moment. Highly versatile machine. Out in the snow, that is for darn sure. Definitely better for winter usage versus summer usage. They're like snow and sand. Soft snow and soft sand. Yeah, fun little truck. Nice little jump there. Ah, roll over. Back on our wheels. Ah, you thought we were stuck, didn't you? No man's land. Roll over. Slow roll over. I don't know if we'll be able to get this thing back upright or not. There we go. Another roll over. A little too steep, obviously. It is a very steep hill out here. Camera, once again, snow and all that other good nonsense just doesn't give it definition to the hill and how steep this actually is. But it's darn near vertical over on this side, right over here. Darn near vertical. And pretty steep on that side. So we're asking a lot out of this blizzard to try to climb up that hill. At least at the moment, the way the snow's lying on it. Definitely steep for a little too steep for climbing. Now we've got footprints to contend with on the base. Oh, that was the best shot we had so far. Actually made some distance on that one. Oh, not on that one though. Fun little truck though, that's for sure. Here we are at the top. Let's take this thing back around to where we jumped the ascender off the hill. And try that same thing. I don't want to break the body on this thing. That is for darn sure. This is an old original Tamiya Midnight Pumpkin body. OG original gangster. Not a new remake of the Midnight Pumpkin, but one of the originals. So this plastic has some age on it. That is for darn sure. It is very chilly today. Mid-teens out here today. Now let's give it a shot. Oh, a little bit of air, but no problems coming down. Certainly could have been much worse than that. And high marking it once again. Buzzing into the woods. I said that was going to do it, but we're still running. Climbing over falling down trees. Couple of them in a row right there. We had the Trail King out here last year at some point in time, running on 2S. Probably his first run, I believe. We had it out in this area of the woods. Towards the end of the video. Oh, blizzard's getting a little heavy. She's got some snow buildup on it. Still trekking along all right. Almost buried our truck doing a 180 there. Right through here. Nice little snowy valley. Couple falling over trees. Barely made it out of that one. about the only time of the year that you can drive an RC car through these woods. So freely anyways. Climbing over falling down trees when everything's covered in snow. Hard turning vehicle. Pretty steep drop. I don't think we're going to make it back up it though, that's for darn sure. Darn near vertical. Close call there. Oh, looks like we got a stick or something wedged up here. See, we got something wedged up. Yeah, there's a stick right there. Wedged up in our lights and everything else. Yeah, that is a vertical wall. We're not necessarily going to be able to climb up that. That is for sure. Not unless this thing was part Spider-Man. Not climbing up that wall. That doesn't happen too often. Little hill climb racer, little forward reverse. That torque rocket. Oh, I don't think we're stuck. That's a heck of a spot to get stuck in. We are definitely stuck. Bouncing right on our nose. That doesn't happen very often. Rarity there. Alright, boys and girls, that is going to do it with the old midnight blizzard tonight, or today, this evening, this afternoon, whatever time it happens to be. Very much appreciated for y'all sticking around and watching the video. As always, questions and comments are always welcome. And we will see you all on the next one. Thanks again.